Hi friends, welcome to AWS Devops sessions. In this session, we are going to learn about the roles concept in Ansible. So what do you mean by roles and where you are going to use these roles in Ansible? Everything we are going to discuss in this session. Generally, the roles plays very important role in Ansible. If I want to automate the task on regular basis in the real-time environment, I am going to use the roles concept only. So how that will be achieved, I am going to show out to you in the practical session. Then you will have the better understanding how the roles concept will be achieved in order to automate the task on regular basis. Okay. Right now, I just logged into the AWS console. Here I have one Ansible server and two client servers are there. Nothing but these two servers can be orchestrated by the Ansible. Here Ansible is the configuration management tool. From Ansible server, I can be able to make the configuration changes on these two servers. Okay. As I already connected to these three servers from the mobile XTM, this is nothing but SSH client. So right now I just logged into this Ansible server as an Ansible user. Just type LL. Here I have one directory, the Sunil directory. I am going to create one directory. Before that, I am going to check whether the tree package has been successfully installed in the Ansible server or not. Simply type tree. Yes, the tree package has been already installed. Fine. I am going to create one directory. What is the command to create the directory? mkdir. I am going to create the directory playbook or yes roles. No, I am going to create the playbook directory. Fine. Just type LL. Just check whether the playbook directory has been created or not. Just change the directory to playbook which you had created just now and type LL. Just check whether there are no content inside. I am going to create one master file vam master.yml escape semicolon wq. I just created the YAML file, but I didn't enter any content into the YAML file, and I am going to create directory. Here I am in currently I am in the playbook directory. Inside of the playbook directory, I am going to create one more directory that will be called as roles. mkdir roles. Change directory to roles. Here in the playbook directory, I have the roles directory. In the roles, right now I am in the roles directory. In the roles directory, if I check anything, there is nothing. Up to now, I didn't created anything. I am going to create the three directories inside of roles directory. mkdir A directory, mkdir B directory, mkdir C directory. Here, right now, how many directories I have in the roles directory? I have three directories. The name is A, B, C. These are the directories which are available under the roles directory. And I am changing my directory to A directory. Here, I am going to create tasks. Okay, mkdir tasks. Enter. I am going to the task directory. Enter. Here I am going to create the YAML file. What is the command? vi or touch. Both your optional. I am going to make vi main.yml. Enter. Simply press escape semicolon wq. Right now I get back to the normal thing. So ll, just get back to the playbook. So inside of the playbook, how many directories I have? Roles. So cd roles. Right now I have how many directories are there? A directory. And right now I am going to inside of the directory B. Change directory to B. Inside of the directory B, I am going to create just LL. You have anything? Nothing. I am going to make directory tasks. enter. The task directory has been created inside of B directory, and I am going to change my directory to tasks, enter. Here inside of the task directory I am going to create the YAML file in order to write my tasks in YAML script. So how that will be, I'm going to show each and everything, don't worry. Here I'm going to create touch. With the help of the touch command as well, I'm going to create the file nor file. I'm going to create main.yml, enter. Cd dot get back, cd double dot get back, cd double dot get back. Okay, right now I'm in the roles directory only, and right now I'm going to the directory C. So inside of the C, what we have? Nothing. I'm going to create one more directory inside of C, make directory tasks. So change directory to tasks, which you had created as now, and instead of the task directory I'm going to create touch main dot yml file, enter. Cd here ll. So just change the directory to playbook, cd playbook, enter. Here if you press ll, how many files it is showing? In the playbook directory, this is the first directory which I had created. Instead of the playbook directory, what I have? I have one master.yml file, and this is nothing but the playbook which I am going to execute. And in the same directory only, I have the roles directory. Instead of the roles directory, what I have? I am going to show to you. If you type tree package here, tree, enter, it is going to show now to you exactly what I had created. Here inside of the playbook directory, what I have? I have the master.yml file. Along with the master.yml file, I have the one more directory called role. So in the role directory, I have the three directories are there. A, B, C are the directories which resides inside of roles directory. And in that A directory, I have the task directory. Inside of the task directory, I have the main.yml. And in the roles directory, I have one more directory called B directory. Inside of the B directory, I have the task directory. And inside of the task directory, I have main.yml file. In the similar way, I have the C directory as well. In the C directory, I have the task directory. In the task directory of C, I have main.yml file have. This is the architecture up to now which I had created. I didn't had entered anything. I just want to edit the file which is in the A, role A, VI, okay, A, and inside A what you have? Tasks. No, okay. What you have? Tasks. TASKS. Instead of A, we have the task. Instead of the task, what we have? Main.yml. Just go here. A task main.yml. Here I am going to install. Means here my requirement is, if I execute the role A, what is need to be installed? The Git package. Hyphen, go to insert mode. Hyphen name installing Git package, enter. And command, here I am going to use the command module, okay, yum install git hyphen y, okay, yum install git hyphen y. It is going to install the Git package on the target server. Press escape, semicolon, WQ. No. Semicolon, WQ. Can't open for writing. Why? Okay. Control C, get back. Semicolon, quit, exclamatory. I am going to exit from the file. So I'm going to change the directory to here. Instead of doing like that, I'm going to change the directory to cd change directory to, right now I am in the playbook now. So from the playbook, what I have? Roles directory. So go to roles, change directory to roles. No. From roles, what I have? A. Under A directory, what I have? Tasks. Enter. So in the task, what I have? Main.yml. So vi main.yml. Enter. Here I am going to enter the content. Here go to insert mode. Hyphen name installing git package. Enter command. Here you just need to go above and come to name, just okay. Name installing git package. Enter command, command command. In this I am going to use the command module yum install git -y escape semicolon wq. Yeah, successfully the role A has been tagged with installing git package. Cd double dot and cd double dot cd double dot playbook. I'm going to execute cd change directory to roles A B. I'm going to roles directory. Instead of roles directory, I'm going to B directory. Instead of B directory, I have task directory. Enter. If you click here also we have the main.yml file. I'm going to edit the same file as well. Means different file. Here by executing the press I in order to enter the data. So hyphen name. Here I am going to install Docker package. Docker package. Enter. The command is here I am using the command module yum install docker -y semicolon escape wq and cd change ID to playbook. Here I am going to execute role C. Here I am going to role C tasks. Enter. Here if you list we have the main.yml file vi main.yml file. Enter. Here the role C I am going to tag with what? Guess it. Hyphen name installing Java version. Command yum install Java -1.8.0 open jdk -y. The role C has been successfully tagged with installation of Java package on the target environment or target server. Press escape WQ. Here I am going to main folder, just type cd. Here if you type ll we have playbook. So cd playbook. Enter. Inside of the playbook how many folders we have? I have master.yml file. I have roles, and if you open the role tree, here the master.yml is the independent file, and here we have the roles directory. Inside of the roles directory we have A role, B role, C role. So if I execute the role A, it is going to install the git package on the target server. If I'm going to execute B, it is going to install the Docker package on the target server. If I'm going to execute the C, it is going to install the Java package on the targeted server. If I want to execute the playbook, I just want to make the playbook now. Here, what is my playbook? vi master.yml. It is my playbook. Up to now, I didn't enter anything. If I want to make anything, how any YAML script, what is the first thing? I just need to make mention 3 hyphen, enter here hyphen hosts. I just want to execute on all the servers which are connected under the Ansible server. Become yes, enter tasks. Here instead of task, what I'm going to mention here, I'm going to mention one thing. So roles. How I will be able to do that, I'm going to show out to you. Just please bear with me sometime. So instead of, generally what we are going to do, tasks. Here instead of task, I'm going to mention roles. Enter hyphen A. For suppose if I am going to execute the role A, what will happen? Just let us see. Escape semicolon WQ. What is the command to execute the playbook? Ansible hyphen playbook hyphen not space. And what is the playbook here? Master.yml file. Enter. Here it is throwing some error. So we just need to understand what issue is went on. So just edit the master.yml file, vi master.yml file, enter. Here it is showing host all. It is correct only. And become yes. It's correct only. And inside of roles we had made some thing. Just have a look on it. So what the thing happen? Yes, hyphen A. Maybe this is the problem. Escape WQ. Here I am going to execute the playbook. Ansible hyphen playbook. Right now it is going to execute the task now. Yes. Right now by executing the role A, it is going to install the Git package on the targeted servers. But here my scenario change. I want to install the Docker package. How I will be able to do that? With the help of, again I am going to edit the master file. Here in place of A, what I am going to make done? Hyphen B, escape, WQ. If I execute the Ansible playbook once again, what it is going to install? It is going to install the Docker package. Had you observed this? Install Docker package. So just wait. It is going to install the Docker package on all the servers which are connected under the Ansible server. Yes. Had you observed? 28.107. It is 28.107. If you type Docker hyphen version, here you will be able to see the Docker version. Yes, the Docker version has been successfully installed. Fine. If I want to install the Java version, what the role I need to execute? Role C. By executing the role C, what it will happen? It is going to install the Java package on the targeted server. What I need to done? Here I just need to edit the YAML file. Instead of B, just enter into the insert mode. I am going to remove the B. I just mentioned the C, role C. Simply WQ in order to save the file. Write and save. WQ stands for write and save. Enter. Here I am going to run the playbook once again. It is going to install the Java version. Is it installed or not? Yes, successfully it has been installed the Java version on the target environment. If you want to check the same, Java hyphen version. Okay, maybe I had entered the wrong comment. Java hyphen version. Here, what the version we have installed? 1.8.0. Is it installed or not? Yes, obviously the Java version which we had mentioned in the role C, the same Java version has been installed on the targeted server. In this way, with the help of the roles, we can be able to organize the task in the directory way. Means based on my requirement, I am going to execute that particular task. So based on the role which I had made in the playbook, the particular task will be executed over the targeted server. In this way, real-time scenario also happen. In this same way, in the real-time environment as well, they are going to perform the regular task with the help of the roles concept. Okay, guys. Hope you guys understood my session, and thank you so much for joining into my session. And do not forget to subscribe my channel, and please hit the bell icon once you subscribe my channel. Means why I am going to ask you to hit the bell icon means whenever I had uploaded any kind of new content, then immediately you will get a notification. So for that purpose, please hit subscribe, and at the same time comment your question. If you have any queries or questions, please comment me in the comment section. Accordingly, whenever I am free, I am going to revert to your questions. At the same time, I am going to provide the material as well for you. For that purpose, I am going to create the Google Classroom. Whoever is interested, just please ping me your email ID. Accordingly, I will add your email ID address to the my Google Classroom. Accordingly, you will be able to access the material. Whatever the material content I am going to show now to you, I am going to use overall the session. I am going to share the same material to you over the Google Classroom. Okay, guys, and at the same time, please share this content with your friends who are eagerly looking to enhance their skills over the cloud technologies and DevOps technologies. And thank you so much for joining into my session. I will meet up you in the next session with a new topic. Until signing off, thank you. Bye bye.